Welcome back to the tips and tricks of email marketing. Today I want to talk about subject lines. Subject lines are important because that's the first thing they read. If you don't catch them with your subject line, that's it. You lost your chance and they're off to the next email. So with subject lines, there are several items that you want to keep in mind, or several items that would help get them open or more often. You can have an how-to subject. How to lose 10 pounds in 30 days. How to get 1,000 followers on TikTok. There's 100 different items that you can do, but something that will teach them what they want to know. The other thing is the hope of gain, fear of loss. So let's say, hate your job? How I learned how to make enough money to quit my 9-to-5. How to be financially free and be able to spend more time with my family. The next one is odd numbers list. For some reason, odd numbers catch people's attention more. So you want to do the 3 best things for making your TikTok videos. 7 best ideas for losing weight fast. The other one could be an odd phrase. An odd phrase, I don't know about examples for that. Somebody told me one about that they had done, and it was naked and afraid. How to make a difference while naked. Now, what is that? Right? Caught your attention, caught my attention. But basically it was how to stay home and work. You can work from home and you don't need to put any clothes on. But it's one of those things. It's something that catches your attention and is like, wait, what was that? What did that say? Hold on. Now I have to read it. Let's see what it says. You can tell a story. You can tell a story about how you quit your job. You can tell a story about how you made $1,000. You can tell a story about how you got 1,000 followers on TikTok. I can follow for more.